Hello friends, in this video we will install Thorny. Thorny is the IDE for the Python and we are going to use it for the MicroPython applications. So the installation is very simple. All you need to do is you need to open up thorny.org and right now we are going to install it on Windows, but it supports all the operating systems, like it supports Windows, Mac and Linux. So just click on the Windows and it will start downloading the Thorny for you. So just click on it. All you need to do is you need to click on a couple of next buttons and it will be installed for you. So installation is very simple. So this is how the Thorny IDE looks. So before we go on to write a program, let's see a couple of features. So go to the tools and click on options, choose interpreter, and right here we need to choose MicroPython generic. So right here we need to choose the port, but at the moment you see our ESP board, it is not connected to the USB port of our computer. So let's connect it first. Cancel it and let's go back to the tools again, options, interpreter, and right here now you see it has automatically detected COM6, which is the port where our ESP board is connected. Okay, so click on OK. Now after you do this, just hit this stop button. It's actually the stop restart backend. So at this moment, please make sure that your run current script button, it should be enabled. In case it is not enabled, just click on the stop restart backend and this button will be enabled. Okay. So now let's write one very simple script. Let's say print hello world, or let's say hello ESP. Now save it. So the moment you click save, you will see where to save this, on the computer or on the MicroPython device. Now please remember, if this run script button, it is not enabled, you might not see this particular dialog box. Okay. So click on the MicroPython device and I'm going to save it with the name main.py. Now main.py is a special name. So if you save any file with the name main.py, that means it is going to run as soon as you boot up your ESP8266 development board. Okay, so let's say OK. And now click on the run current script. So here you see hello ESP. Now this hello ESP, it is actually running from the ESP development board. Now to prove this, that this program is actually running from the ESP development board, let's work on the GPIO pins. So I'm just going to write one very simple program. So let's say import machine, import time, LED is equal to machine dot pin. So let's say 2. So 2 is the default LED pin on the ESP development board. So machine dot. So you can press Control and space together and it will open up the autocomplete for you. So let's say pin dot out. Next, let's say while true, LED dot on, and let's say time dot sleep for 1 second, and then we'll say LED dot off and time dot sleep for 1 second. So what will happen? LED will turn on, sleep for 1 second, and then it will turn off and then sleep for 1 second. So this process will keep on going. So let's save it And now let's run our script. So if you see right here, the LED on the ESP development board, it's blinking every 1 second. So this is our first MicroPython program using the IDE Thonny. Thank you. Request you to please like my video and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.